Dear François, I'm connecting with you from India, the world's most densely populated country and one of the most spiritual. In the midst of all this energy, I have found a rare moment of calm to reflect on this important question. How can the city of tomorrow meet the demographic challenge of such a huge country? Hello everyone and welcome to India. Here, every day, tens of thousands of people move into cities, looking for jobs, looking for homes, looking for better lives. How can urban areas keep up with this incredible growth? In this new episode, we travel across India to discover how Saint-Gobain is helping shape tomorrow's cities. Are you ready? Let's go. We are in India's capital, New Delhi, at the heart of one of the country's most impressive residential projects, the Amaryllis by Unity Group, combining sophistication with sustainability in one of the world's most densely populated cities. The Amaryllis is a project with a bold and elegant design. What was the vision behind it?
So the first idea was to make the project high-rise instead of a traditional mid-rise or low-rise. When we go vertical, we leave more space at the ground for water to percolate in the earth, more space to plant these beautiful trees, more than 100,000 trees.
Building a project of this scale must represent many challenges. So what were they and how did you overcome them?
The first challenge was because this project is very big. We have more than 5,000 condominiums. And the biggest challenge was how to use glass, which should cut the heat, it should cut the sound, and it should make building more sustainable and livable. So Saint-Gobain helped us in all these solutions. So it's like a partnership company.
Housing is essential, of course, but so is access to quality healthcare. We are in Lucknow, a fast-growing city where a hospital is setting a new benchmark for accessible, efficient and sustainable healthcare. Medanta Hospital. India is obviously facing this huge demographic challenge. How important is it to create the right health facilities and in the right places?
There is an uneven provision of healthcare in India. So to mitigate that, what we are doing today is going to the capitals of states which were underserved, which needed healthcare of this quality desperately. And you know our quality is the highest. We now have actually been named as the best private hospital in India. So, you know, in this whole endeavor, which we find very satisfying, Saint-Gobain has been a worthy partner because we have now been able to achieve our objectives.
So which products and solutions did you use here to deliver that vision?
To start with, we have got double silver SKN 165 Cool Light series glass here, which allows 65% of the light coming inside a building and also cuts 61% of the heat that's coming inside a building. Then we have Gyprock drywall solutions that uses 99% less water during the construction. In addition to that, it offers amazing aesthetics, sustainable acoustic solutions, and last, the most important thing, Weber epoxy grouts here, we can easily clean them, perfect for the sterile environments.
As cities grow, so do the needs of businesses, entrepreneurs and professionals. We're now in Chennai at the iconic World Trade Center by Brigade Group, one of India's leading property developers. Let's find out how this reflects the future of Indian cities. You are behind the World Trade Center project. Can you take us through the specifics very briefly, please?
We set to achieve a certain standard of a building and we did that. It houses some of the largest MNCs in the world, Amazon, McKinsey, Caterpillar, all of them. They have the offices in the World Trade Center, Chennai. The World Trade Center had to meet a certain aesthetic requirement, energy requirement. We had to get the best of materials for that. So a lot of deliberations happened with the consultants to arrive at a proper solution for the high-rise building what we have in Chennai.
So what Saint-Gobain solutions did you use to overcome some of the challenges of the buildings?
Chennai has a tropical climate The temperatures can go up to even 45 degrees. And when it rains pretty harsh. So we need to have a facade which will take care of the water ingression, heat transmission, the natural lighting, all of these. In addition to that, we adopted the drywall construction within the building using material from Saint-Gobain and also the adhesives and grouting material for tile fixing and many of the other things. It's been a pleasure working with Saint-Gobain, and it's almost 2.5 decades old relationship, and it's only getting stronger.
The Saint-Gobain R&D Centre is located within a vast campus. This is where innovation is shaping our urban future. Could you share examples of innovative solutions that you have developed here at the R&D Centre?
We have developed a coating for a gas facade that can filter off most of the heat coming from the outside. We also have developed acoustics and thermal insulations for hospitals, schools and residences. This is very useful from the perspective of sustainability and wellness aspect. What India needs is kind of known to us in terms of the climate change, the population density, and we have a lot of offerings in terms of product systems and solutions that addresses this need for the future.
Kartik, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We have seen how India is rising to the demographic challenge. At the heart of it all is innovation, designed for India and for the future, to make the world a better home. Next, François Gémen will take you to the United Arab Emirates to explore how sustainable construction can improve comfort for all.